In the next 10 years, there are gonna be two types of people. People who got rich because of AI and people who got replaced by it. And the scary part, right now, most people have no idea which group they're about to fall into. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how AI is reshaping who builds wealth and 3 moves you can make right now to make sure you're not on the wrong side of this. Not the hype you see online. The actual practical shift is how money and jobs are moving. So let's get into it. For decades, the wealth building formula was simple. Get a stable job, get good at it, get promoted, save and invest. That formula worked because your skills got more valuable over time as you gain experience. AI is breaking the formula in one specific way. It's compressing the value of experience for a huge chunk of jobs. Tasks that used to take trained professional years to get fast at, writing reports, analyzing data, basic coding, first draft designs, a lot of that can now be done in seconds. That doesn't mean those jobs disappear overnight. It means the premium for doing routine, repeatable work is shrinking fast. And the people who only build their value around routine tasks are the ones getting squeezed first. Here's what's interesting. Wealth isn't disappearing, it's moving. It's flowing toward 3 specific groups. 1. People who own the tools, not just AI companies. Anyone who builds a product, a system, or a service on top of AI and owns it. Ownership beats employment, and it always has. But AI is making that gap wider, faster. 2. People who can direct AI, not just use it. There's a huge difference between someone who types a prompt and someone who knows how to break down a real business problem, structure it, and use AI to execute the plan. That second person is becoming incredibly valuable. 3. People with judgment AI can't replicate. Trust, negotiation, reading a room, making a call under uncertainty with real consequences. An accountant who can advise a nervous business owner. A salesperson who can close a deal. A manager who can read team morale. Those human skills are getting more valuable, not less. So here are 3 moves to actually put yourself in the right group. Move 1, turn your job into a system, not a task list. Whatever you do, accounting, marketing, sales, ask yourself, what part of this could I build once and use forever? That could be a template, a workflow, a tool. That's the ownership mindset, even inside a job. Move 2. Get fluent in directing AI, not just using it casually. This isn't about knowing every tool. It's about practicing breaking real problems into steps AI can execute well. That skill compounds. The better you get at it, the more your output multiplies. Move 3. Double down on the human skills that don't scale with a prompt. Communication, trust building, judgment under pressure. These take longer to build, which is exactly why they're becoming the mode. If it's easy to automate, it's easy to commoditize. If it's hard to automate, it's hard to replace. Here is the part most videos won't tell you. Doing nothing is a decision too. Staying comfortable with routine work, hoping the shift skips you. That's not neutral. It's actively choosing the wrong side of the gap. The good news, you don't need to be a genius or an early adopter to get this right. You just need to start moving now, while most people are still waiting to see what happens. If this made you think differently about where you're spending your time and energy, hit subscribe. I'm breaking down exactly how money, business, and technology are every single week. And drop a comment. Which of these 3 moves are you weakest on right now? I'll read them. See you in the next one.